Give me a minute, and let me tell you a story. Before the turn of the 20th century, a group of 20 black soldiers in the United States Army were tasked with taking part in a unique experiment to see if the horse could be replaced by the bicycle. Known collectively as the Buffalo Soldier Bicycle Corps, this unit of the 25th Infantry, stationed at Fort Missoula, Montana, demonstrated its effectiveness during maneuvers and patrols covering greater distances than traditional cavalry units and proving the practicality of bicycles in military operations. Their missions included reconnaissance, mail delivery, and even participating in a 1,900-mile expedition from Missoula, Montana to St. Louis, Missouri in the summer of 1897. Their service challenged racial stereotypes, exemplifying the value of a fully integrated U.S. military. The Buffalo Soldiers' contributions have been recognized and celebrated as an essential chapter in the history of Black Americans in the armed forces, highlighting their dedication, skill, and perseverance in the face of adversity. I'm James Edward Mills of the Georgia Project, and this has been an Unhidden Minute.